Yeah, quite some time has passed since I built the engine and put it in the frame. I think I recorded the material almost half a year ago, and since then the bike is sitting in my basement because I don't have any use for it anymore, and that's why I want to sell it. Also on the bike, a few things have changed that I didn't record. First is I switched the carb to this carb because the other one was not working properly. I also installed a CNC cylinder head, and also I didn't record the making of the muffler and this pipe at all. I cut it in the middle and I made it fit. As you see, it has enough clearance everywhere, and also there's a rubber in here, so it's good for vibrations. And also it looks and fits very well. I made one reel and that's it. After the reel I put the bike in the basement because in my workshop I have absolutely no space. I also have not rode the bike since then. That's because this engine mount, the way the Chinese people engineered this, is not the most solid one for this engine. That's an Avenger 85 engine. It's the most powerful and the Chinese engine with the highest quality. It's still a Chinese engine, but not the crap you can find on Amazon or something like that. Yeah, as I mentioned, I want to sell the bike. I don't have any use for it anymore. I have fixed most of the issues. The first one was the engine and the seat mount. Now it's a proper seat mount. I'm asking 1.8k for it. The location is Austria, and yeah, you can contact me if you want it. I had ideas of putting a bigger engine inside of it, but the problem is I think the frame and the fork and the wheels is not capable of withstand a lot of power. So that's the reason I sell it, and I don't know what to do with it anymore, I'm honest. I would be happy if someone is willing to continue working on this bike. I think that's the last video of this bike. I have so much work to do, either engineering the 1400cc two-stroke V-twin or other projects. I have so much going on in my mind and I don't have any need for this bike anymore. So if you're willing to spend 1.8k for it, that's your bike. So thanks for watching and see you next time.